Today we will learn about arguments and keyword arguments. So let's get started. Let me fire up my Python console. So let's start with a simple function. Simple like how simple function is defined like this. You can see this is the simple functions. You can say it's a simplest function. You can call it like this. Yeah, this is the simple function. So function with a one argument. So let's print this for this in a. So sum plus equals to this, then print the sum. Yeah, so let's call it, and this I'm passing a list. Yeah, as you can see here, it's a list and let's give the sum of all these three numbers. So let's call like this. If you don't know what is inside it, so how you will call this? Okay, if let me call by a single number, what do you think what will happen? Yeah, this will give an error because object is not iterable, because we need a iterable, okay, because we have defined for loop here. So how we can solve this problem? So we can solve this problem like this by using star args. You can say args, okay, by this. Let's do that again. Sum is equals to 0 for n args. So sum plus equals to current item and print sum. Let's call it. If I will pass here like this 2, then what will be the output? Let's call it. If I will pass here like this 2, then what will be the output? Yes, 2. As you can see here, no matter how you are passing, like 1, 2, 3, but it's not spotted here int and list. Why this is happening? This is what we call an arguments. Star args. What star arg is doing? Like this, unpack everything. Like you can see here. If I will do like this, like this. So what it will do? You can see here. After A, I just put the comma. So when I hit enter, this, what it will do is this unpack everything and put it into list. Okay, like if I do like this, what will happen? It will throw an error. Yeah, started assignment target must be in list or tuple. Okay, so let's talk about keyword argument. Def simple function keyword arguments. It will take in keyword arguments. So for you can think like keyword argument is like the dictionary. So item in keywords, print item. So if I call it like this, A is equals to official and B is equals to tech. Yes, it will accept the keyword arguments. Okay, so let's try to call it like without keyword argument. And like it, you can 1, 2, 2, 3. Simply 0 positional argument, but 3 was given. Actually, we don't have to give positional argument. We need to give the keyword argument. Okay, so this is again like you can name anything for key value in t dot items. This, as I said, this is the same like dictionary. Key is key and value is value. So let's call it sample. Official B is tech and C is Python. D is Django. As you can see here, key values. So we already know about args and keyword args. So what will be the order of this if we have to define both of them? So let's again, like, how we will define both args and keyword args. So what will be the order? Like A, args and keywords, keyword args. This will be the proper order. A, args and args. I'm just simply returning dates. So let's call this simple to complex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11. You can see here, one will be assigned to A and the other remaining part is assigned to args, and the parameterized, these are parameterized and these are keywords arguments. So parameters are assigned to args and A, and the keywords arguments are assigned to keywords argument. Yes, if I will change the order, what will happen? Like this. Yeah, you can see here syntax error, invalid syntax. We cannot put args after the keywords arg. So you always put args first, then keywords arg later. Okay, like this. Yeah, you can see here syntax error, invalid syntax. We cannot put args after the keywords arg. So you always put args first, then keywords arg later. Okay, and same like this. You cannot put like this as well. This will also throw an error. Like this one. You can do this. Missing one required keyword only argument A. Yes, because we passed it after arguments, so we need to pass like A is equals to this. Yeah, this will. Let's define another function. A, B, and C. Return equals B plus C. So if I pass like this, it's a simple. It's simple, yeah. If I have to pass like this, 1, 2, and 3, as we already seen this, it will give an error. So let's do something new. We already know about args, so we can do like this as well. Okay. And maybe we already know this.